Have you ever picked up your old leather belt and noticed how it's no longer smooth, no longer rich in color? Maybe it cracked a little. Maybe the shine is faded. And you wonder, what happened? You didn't spill anything on it. You didn't overuse it. But somehow, it just aged badly. The truth is, most of us are destroying our leather belts without even knowing it. And the worst part? It's completely avoidable. If stories like this help you protect and preserve the things you love, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because today we're going to uncover a simple but powerful way to bring your belt back to life and prevent you from ever making this mistake again. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let me tell you a short story. It's about a belt, brown, full-grain leather, given as a gift from a father to a son on his first day of work. A small symbol of pride. He wore it almost every day, tucked into crisp trousers with a hint of confidence. But fast forward 3 years, and that same belt was stuffed in the back of a closet. Faded, worn, cracked along the edges, forgotten. It wasn't the years that damaged it, it was neglect. Like most of us, he thought leather was indestructible, that it didn't need care. But here's the reality. Leather is skin. And just like your own skin, it dries out. It ages. Here's the surprising part. Leather belts are not like synthetic belts. They're not designed to just hang in your wardrobe and be forgotten. Every time you wear them, you expose them to oils from your skin, dust from the environment, and moisture from humidity. And when you toss them on your bed, fold them incorrectly, or never clean them at all, that's like never washing your face or never moisturizing after a dry winter. Over time, leather belts start to crack at stress points, especially near the buckle holes. They lose flexibility. The leather hardens. And before you know it, your once beautiful belt looks like something pulled from a box of old garage tools. So, how do you actually save your belt? It starts with one golden rule: less is more. You don't need expensive cleaners or industrial tools. In fact, using too many harsh products can ruin leather completely. All you need is a soft microfiber cloth, mild hand soap or saddle soap, lukewarm water, and leather conditioner or natural oil like coconut or mink oil. Now, let's break it down step by step. Dry dust first. Take a clean, dry cloth and gently wipe off all surface dust. This prevents dirt from grinding into the leather when you add moisture. Next, a gentle soap wash. Mix a few drops of mild soap in lukewarm water. Dip your cloth, wring it out, and lightly wipe the belt. Avoid soaking. Focus on areas near the buckle, edges, and inner lining. Then, pat dry. Never rub. Just gently pat dry using a fresh towel. Condition the leather. This is where the magic happens. Take a small amount of leather conditioner or oil on your fingers or cloth and rub it in small circles across the belt. And last, let it breathe. Leave it flat in a shaded area, never under sunlight, for a few hours to absorb the conditioner.
And that's it! Simple, gentle, but transformative.
I still remember the first time I cleaned an old leather belt this way. It was a gift from my grandfather. I'd almost thrown it away, thinking it was beyond saving. But after cleaning it properly, the change was shocking. It looked almost brand new. Even the cracks softened. And what surprised me the most wasn't the look, it was the feel. It felt alive again, flexible, supple. Most people think cleaning a belt is optional, but in truth, it's essential. Now here's where many people go wrong. You might have done one or two of these mistakes without knowing it. Using alcohol-based cleaners. They strip away natural oils, leaving belts in direct sunlight. Leads to discoloration and hardening. Storing them rolled too tightly weakens the grain and causes breakage. Skipping conditioning. This is like never moisturizing your skin. Would you do that? Let me leave you with this. That boy who got the belt from his father? Years later, he wore it on his wedding day. Not because he didn't have another option, but because that belt, cleaned, conditioned, preserved, held meaning. It told a story, and stories, just like leather, age beautifully, if we take care of them.
If we have helped you understand the deeper side of something as simple as a belt, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. We explore practical tips with emotional depth, because the small things in life often have the biggest meaning. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. And tell me in the comments, do you have a leather item that means more than it looks? I'd love to hear your story.